Hey guys, I'm Tim. Welcome to the Regio1st Planning Framework tutorial series. In this video, we will walk you through the cost-benefit analysis tool, which is a part of stage 5 of the Regio1st framework that is designed to compare the costs and benefits of building renovation and heating technologies in line with the energy efficiency first principle. This tool helps you evaluate demand-side measures, in particular building renovation, and supply-side measures, such as different heating technologies like heat pumps. It calculates the cost of saving heating through renovation and the cost of heat supply, so allowing you to identify the most cost-effective solutions for your regional energy plans. The cost-benefit analysis tool consists of several key sheets. Input, representative buildings, tool 1, individual buildings, tool number 2, district heating, and the range of miscellaneous input data like renovation cost, emission factors, and energy prices. So let's start with tool 1, which focuses on individual buildings. This part of the tool includes demand-side calculations for building renovations and supply-side calculations for heating technologies. Let's follow these steps to use tool 1. On the input representative buildings sheet, select your country to fetch data on representative buildings from the tabular database. So in this case, we're going to stick with Austria. Second, we are going to copy the relevant data for a building and paste it into tool 1, individual buildings. So in this case, we're going to take an apartment building from Austria from the 1945 to 1960 construction period. And we're going to paste it here on this sheet. In the third step, you can adjust energy carrier prices and CO2 emission prices as needed, as indicated here in these yellowish worksheets. In the fourth step, we're going to read the results to compare, on the one hand, the levelized cost of energy savings or heat savings and the levelized cost of heat supply. So here we see the cost for saving a megawatt hour of heat through building renovation, and here the levelized cost for supplying that heat through different heating technologies. In the fifth step, we can select one specific configuration. So for instance, we're going to look at a usual refurbishment in the context of a building, let's say that is heated with a gas boiler. And we can see very nicely the payback time here, or the internal rate of return, and other financial indicators. That is tool 1. Let's have a look at tool number 2. The second tool focuses on district heating systems, so not on individual decentralized systems, but on district heating. So it helps you to calculate the supply cost based on different scenarios and technology mixes. So here's how to use tool number 2. Again, on the input representative buildings sheet, we define not a single building this time, but the building stock, which is here on the right-hand side. So that means we define the number of representative buildings and their renovation status. Then in tool number 2, district heating, right here, we can specify the coverage of this district heating system. So let's say that our planned system covers 20% of all advanced renovation buildings, 20% of the usually renovated buildings, and 10% of the buildings that have a base level of renovation. Then we define the size and parameters of the district heating system and the mix of technologies. So let's say that we have a mix of an air source heat pump with a peak gas boiler in this case. Finally, we can view the results to understand the cost implications of different district heating scenarios. So in this case, we have a levelized cost of around 92 euros per megawatt hour, which we can then again compare to the individual buildings on sheet 1, which here obviously it's much more cheaper to do the refurbishment or to do the renovation rather than installing the new district heating system as it is. So thank you for watching this tutorial on the cost-benefit analysis tool. For more information and resources, visit our website and explore the other tools available in the Regio1st Planning Framework. So stay tuned for more instructional videos in the series.